Hey everybody, so today let's do another home smoke alarm search in Chicago. So let's see what we can find today. Alright, what's in the hallway? Oh, what's this? Oh, nice! Oh, it's one of these. It's one of these first alerts. See, is that a good screenshot? Yep, it is. Alright, I'll save that. Let's see, is there any smoke alarms in the bedrooms, or is that an AC? Is that a thermostat, or is that an AC thermostat, or is that a carbon monoxide alarm? It's not a CO014, I believe it is, or CO016 or CO014. I'll have to go look back at my video for it. My video, my kid carbon monoxide alarm. There's nothing too special here. Alright, let's see. What else can we find? The 3D tour ones I think are helpful, because you can find cool smoke alarms. Plus there may be new listings, so that's why I like to check Chicago. Alrighty, let's see what's in here. Let's go up the stairs. I may have seen this one on James's channel. I'm not sure. Oh, one of these Kidda Smart smoke alarms. I saw these at Home Depot the other day. I know my aunt gave me a Home Depot gift card for me to go buy smoke alarms. So, yep. Oh, just another one. Alright, let's see, is there ones in the bedrooms? Yeah, there is. Oh, this one's awfully weird. It's like the one in my room, to the left of the ceiling fan. That's how mine is in my room. Which I do not think that's a good spot for it, but it's just how the builder decided to do it. But it's okay. It works. My I12060A up there, it works. Alright, let's see. What's in... I'm hoping to find an SC6120B or a 4120B. Alright, let's look in this one. Let's see. I think I've looked in this one before, but let's go back and see. Or wait. Have I? I can't remember. Alright, let's see. Is there any smoke alarms in here? Nope. No smoke alarms in this area. Or wait. There is a smoke alarm. Yeah, I have been in here, I think. Yep, I recognize the porch. I know there's this cabin I'm wanting to stay at. I forget what type smoke alarms they have, but I'm gonna do a smoke alarm tour video there. Oh, I've seen this one. Look at that. There's a Montgomery or... You gotta be kidding me. Cookies? A little dumb. See, yeah, there's this Montgomery or some type of elevator with innovation. That's pretty cool. I would like to live here. Or actually, I prefer to live in my current house. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, one of these. I have not seen these in a while in person. I think these are KNCOSM Bs, I think. I'll have to look. But those are cool. I really want one. My aunt's expired, though, and started beeping twice every 30 seconds. gave the end of life beep. That sucks. I really want it, but it's gone. She got it replaced with the KNCOSM IBA. What the security company ended up having to do. Which I'm sure was alarming. Alrighty, I'm shocked that I didn't see that the last time I searched in that place. Alright, let's go to page 2. Or, that's the same listing, I think. Yep, same old listing. Alrighty. I know it's 11:27 p.m., but I was kind of bored, so I thought I'd do a smoke alarm home search. Alright, let's see. Is this listing new? It may... Oh, yeah, I don't think I've been in here before. Alright, let's see. What can we find? It's kind of blurry. Oh, here we go. It's fixed now. Let's see. Hallway. This is where... Oh, an I-12060A, or what is that? Well, let's find out. Let me screenshot it. Yep. Same as what I have. And what my aunt has. Alright, let's see. No, I think that's the only smoke alarm in the place. I can tell it replaced something else. Alright, let's see. Is there a smoke alarm in here? Nope. I would put one in every bedroom if it were me. Oh, wait. Let's see. Ooh, what's that? Another I-12060A. Okay. That was not bad. We're finding some good Kidda 2000s stuff. Alright, let's see. This one, I don't think I've been in this one before. Alright, let's see. 3D tour. What's in here? Well, I like the track lighting. Ooh, Tiffany lamp. I like those. And those antique candle lamps. I have several of those. Mainly because I think they look cool. And then my Nana was actually the one who gave me most of them. So yeah, she just said that she wanted me to keep them, so... It was around the time I got that First Alert 83R smoke alarm, because I replaced it due to it wasn't operating. Now there's a KNCOSMBA. I forget if that one's a KNCOSM XTRBA or just a KNCOSMBA. I'll have to check that at one point. If it ever expires, I'm gonna go over there and change it if my Nana wants me to again. Alright, let's see. Where is the stupid smoke alarm? It should be in the hallway. That's where it should be. Alright, let's see. Hallway. Oh, okay. Okay, so we have some commercial fire alarms. Okay, this is pretty cool. Alright, let's see. Hallway. What's in the hallway? Ooh, we got some fire alarms! Alright, let's see what these are. Okay, so we have a BG12 pole, a wheel lock horn of some sort, and then a smoke detector. And then some very vintage stairs signs. Alright, let's go in the bedroom. Is there a smoke alarm in here? Nope. Alright, let's see. Is there one in this hallway? Nope. Alrighty, let's go to, another listing. And then, let's see. 3D tour. Okay, this is a nice building. It looks like one of those antique schools in Akron, Ohio, with those very vintage IBM fire alarms and auto calls. I was actually watching the videos of those earlier today. Alright, let's see. What's up here? Nothing. Alright, let's see. There's a nice chandelier. I think those are cool. Alright, let's see. Is there a smoke alarm? Oh, one of these. These are... I think these are wire-free interconnecting. My uncle has these in his house. I tested his at one point because he wanted me to. I asked him if I could, and he told me yes, I could. So I tested them, and they worked. But they took a long time to set the others off. Alright, let's see. Have I looked at this one? Let's see. Let's look in this one. Or, yeah, I already looked in that one. That one had the I12060As, I believe. Doesn't even disclose the year built date. Let's see. Alright, let's look at this one. Have I been in here before? In the past? I don't think I have. Not that I can recall. Or maybe. Living room. Hallway. Alright, let's see. Oh, yeah, I have been in here. It's the missing smoke alarm. Who weaves a missing smoke alarm? That's what I want to know. Who weaves a missing smoke alarm just hanging like that? Alright, let's see. What's in this house? I've already looked in here. I don't think there was anything good. Other than that Simplex. Whatever the heck that thing is. Interesting. So they have like ceiling panels in here. Instead of drywall ceiling. Alright, let's go to page 3. I think this one may be new. Let's see. What's in here? Let's go to the hallway. Ooh, combination of some sort. Why do you have a bathroom? Is that a bathroom fan on the wall? Oh no, it's just a KNCOSM something and a P12040. Alright, let's see. Let's go to another listing. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's in here. 3D tour. Let's go to the hallway. See, oh, this may be... Okay, what's over there? I can't really tell what that... A smoke detector of some sort. Not really worth screenshotting. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Oh, we have some of these. Okay. It might be worth screenshotting. Another one of these KNCOSM somethings. That carbon monoxide alarm to the left. I have one, but I don't really keep it operational anymore. It works. I just don't keep batteries in it. Hopefully that doesn't waste the life. Hopefully that saves the life on it. Alright, let's see. Hallway. No. Foyer. Living. Let's make sure that I don't miss anything. Oh, look, a swimming pool. This is cool. Seems like a nice place to do swimming What are you doing? You gotta go swimming. Alright, let's see. I always have to add puns. I'm sure viewers that have been watching me for a couple years know that I like puns. I can't believe 2023 is almost over. It's gone by so fast. Okay, I don't think I've been in this house before. Let's see. Oh, Universal SS36 siren. Oh, it's one of these. One of these first alerts. I took the Universal SS36 down because I was mad at it one day. And then I just decided to put it on my wall along with my smoke alarms. Alright, let's see. Go back to search. Is that the one we just looked in? Yep, that's the one we just looked in. Hampton House. I think I've looked in this one before. I think there was a cool elevator in this one. So it's technically an elevator search too. We'll make that intentional. Alright, let's see. What do we have to see? Foyer. Let's go to the hallway because that's where smoke alarms usually tend to be around. Living room. Alrighty, let's see. Is there any vintage smoke alarms? I don't know. Alright, let's see. Foyer. Nope. No smoke alarms. There's an elevator. Oh, it looks like it's been modded of some sort. Alright, yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's been modded by either ThyssenKrupp or... No, it looks like a generic mod. It looks kind of... no, it doesn't look similar to the ones at the summit at Preston Trails. Alrighty, I'm looking for another 3D tour. Okay, let's see what's in here. I know one day I ended up finding an SC6120B after I ended a screen recording. I was so disappointed that I didn't get it in the screen recording. Alright, let's see. Siemens speaker and a First Alert 9120B. So I've been in this one before. Breaker panel. I wonder if that's a battery operated of some sort. Alright, let's see. 3D tour. We may stumble across that CO5120B that people have been finding. Alright, let's see what's in here. Is that a... Can't really tell what that is. Let's see. Oh, yep, I've screenshotted one of those already today. Alright, yeah, nothing good in there. Is that the one I just looked at? No, I haven't looked at that one yet. Alright, let's see. Or, you know what? Never mind, I have. That's my... Yeah, my bad. I have. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's go to page 4. Alright, let's see what's in here. Let's go to the top of the stairs since this is where they tend to have smoke alarms. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I just got police manualed. Police manual. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna go to page 5 now. Alright, let's see. I don't think I've been in this one before. Oh, it looks like they... Is that a smoke alarm or what is that? Looks like it may have been a smoke alarm at one point, but they removed it and capped it off. Alright, let's go to the hallway. Yep, I've been in this one before. There was no cool smoke alarms. Alright, let's go back to... Alright, here's another 3D tour. Alright, let's go up to here. Let's see. Oh, one of these. Of course. Have I been in this one? Alright, let's see if I've been in this one before. Come on, you stupid thing. Alright, let's see. Explore 3D tour. I hate it when my thing has to refresh like that. Oh, what's this? Is that 4120B? I can't tell. One that's... It's a smoke alarm that's hanging out of the ceiling. One of mine was hanging out of the ceiling for many years. I tried to put it back up a few times and it wouldn't. Yo, is that a lifesaver smoke alarm? What is that? I can't even tell what it is. I've never seen that before. Or no, it just has a dust cover on it. That's what it is. Alright, let's go down the stairs. See what's down here. Basement. Basement's been finished. So there may be a smoke alarm. Oh yeah, there's just these. Those are pretty common. Alright, let's see. Did I explore this one? I don't think I have. Alright, let's see what's in here. I remember that day when I found some really cool smoke. Oh, this is the one I started in. Alright, let's see. May not have much luck today. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna have much luck. Let's go to page 7. Trying to think. Let's see what's in here. .3D tour. Let's see. Let's go the hallway, see if there are any. Oh, I like the lighting out here. Oh, look at this. One of these system sensor smoke detectors. I've seen many of these. Plano Market Square Mall used to have these, and then they had really cool rare Faraday horn strobes. I have photos of them, actually. That mall has since been demolished, but their fire alarms there were okay. I wasn't really interested in them back then. Back then I had zero interest in fire safety. Smoke alarms are the only thing I'm really interested in with fire safety. Alright, let's see. What's in here? Is this the one where the SC6120B was? I don't know. This one may be promising. Oh, there's a burglar alarm. Nope, it wasn't promising. It's just 9120Bs. Oh, an I4618. Next to an I3. I know that one's kind of blurry. My apologies. Alright, let's see. No smoke alarms in here. I would have put one where that plate cover is. Alright, let's see. 3D tour. If I looked in that... Is that the... Let's see. No, I haven't looked in this one yet. Let's see. What smoke alarms are in here? No, I haven't been in this one, I don't think. Not that I can recall. Alright, let's go the hallway. Corridor. Oh yeah, just one of those. Let's go in the bedrooms to make sure. Okay, yeah, there's not anything good in here. I'm looking at all the 3D tour listings I see in this because I want to find some smoke alarms. Alright, let's see. I don't think I've searched in here yet. I think we're gonna check out all these 3D tours. Alright, let's see. Oh, just one of those. Is that... I can't tell. Yeah, it's just a 9120B. Let's see, what's up here? There's gotta at least be one per floor. Yep. Just the same as the one downstairs. Alright, let's see. What's in here? Oh, is that... Oh, I thought that was a missing smoke alarm. What is that? Let's screenshot it and see. I thought that was a missing smoke alarm, but it's just the sprinkler head. Is that a Kidda P12040, or is that one of those random Kiddas I've seen before? Okay, one of those. Then let's go upstairs to see what's in this hallway. What is that? I can't really tell. Let's go up more stairs. Oh no, look how yellow this is. Oh my gosh. That's gotta be the most yellow smoke alarm I've ever seen. What is this? Oh, I know what it is. Yo, that is so yellow. Jeez. Why haven't they replaced it yet? Alright, let's see. This looks like a hotel kind of thing. It reminds me of the Ritz-Carlton in downtown Dallas. Elevators! Let's see what the elevators are. Ooh, they may be ThyssenKrupp. Or what are they? I would like to film those. I don't know what they are. I can't really tell. They have innovation floor indicators, or random bell indicators, and I can't tell what type call station that is. Always gotta check out the elevators if I see them. I've been into elevators my whole life, just about. I've been into elevators since I was like 4, maybe. I was little when I started liking elevators. I guess it was just one that I saw. I forget which one. It may have been the official elevator of elevators with ESH. I know Anthony filmed that thing recently. I noticed that they're like redoing the floors in the building. Have I checked that one? Let's see, have I checked this one? Alright, let's go to page 8. See what's in here. Are you serious? No 3D tours? I'll have to change the filters if I don't find any good ones. Alright, let's see. What's in here? Is it gonna be boring old junk or... Oh, a KNCOPEIC. Finding a good variety of kittas. Yep, that's a KNCOPEIC. I have 3 functional ones and 1 defective one. KNCOPEIC up there. Oh, this is actually pretty smart. A KNCOPEIC. Oh, this one's gonna be a good thumbnail. Because the AC power light is on. I'll have to decide the thumbnail. Either that really yellow one or that KNCOPEIC up there. I think that's actually pretty genius. Because, this stuff, water heater, furnace, and washing machine and dryer can actually cause carbon monoxide. So that's actually a really good choice. A Firex i4618. Used to have these in my house. They're pieces of junk. Another i4618. Let's see. Is there anything downstairs, or did I already check downstairs? Oh yeah, I stumbled across a KNCOPEIC. Let's go in the basement. See what's down here for smoke alarms. i4618. This has the exact smoke alarm setup that my house had for... Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Seriously? Another missing smoke alarm. This is ridiculous. For about 1 or 2 years, I had the one in my upstairs hallway missing. Because I just was mad at it. Firex i4618. And then here's the KNCOPEIC. Neat 2000s finds. Alright, let's see. What's in here? I'm honestly hoping for some Firexes of some sort. Oh, a Family Guard FG200. Let's see. Nope. Just the one, I think. Or oh wait, we have a basement. Okay, let's see what's down here. Oh, it's one of the... Oh, okay, let's see. What's over here? Is that another family guard, or... I can't really tell. Yeah, I think that's a... Oh, it's one of these. Okay. Let's see, what's in here? There's a lot of stuff in here. Let's see. Oh, these. I think those are... trying to get notifications away as fast as I can, so my apologies if there's too many YouTube notifications. Trying to scroll them away as soon as possible, because I do not want to steal people's videos. That is something I'm very strict about. I do not want people using my videos without my prior consent. People doing so may get copyright strikes. If you upload videos of mine, if you re-upload something of mine without my prior consent, that's on you. Ooh, is that a... Ooh, cool! A CO5120BN. Awesome. That's gotta have replaced a CO5120B. We're getting somewhere. I like those carbon monoxide alarms. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see. What's in here? I think we're getting to... Oh, one of these Nest Protects. These are cool. But I don't really know how to set these up to my phone. I don't really care for the modern technology stuff. The black ones are cool, especially since they're rare. I think they're on the ultra rare category. Yeah, they are. What's in here? I just remember when I found those 1839 ends. Alrighty. Why do I keep on forgetting to turn on the do not disturb mode? I don't know. I guess I'm just so tired that... Oh, fire alarm horn. Let's see. So I think that's a wheel-lock of some sort. Can't really tell. Okay, let's see. Let's look in this one. Alrighty, what's in here? Do we have something cool? Oh, just another missing smoke alarm and then a Willox speaker. No, wait, look at that. I didn't even notice that over there. Crazy combinations. Let's see what's over here. You gotta be kidding me. About 3 alarms. Alrighty, let's see. An I-12060A and some random carbon monoxide alarm that I've never seen before. Or is that a smoke alarm or is that a carbon monoxide alarm next to that I-12060A? Let's see what's in here. It's getting late. I may have to end this in a little while or a little bit. Let's go in the hallway because this is where... Oh, an ESL of some sort. Yeah, this one's old. It's an ESL smoke detector or smoke alarm, whatever you want to know it as. Is this the elevator? Hey, I wanna see that elevator. Alright, let's see. What's in here? I'm exhausted. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to end this after I at least want to find a stinking rare smoke alarm. Alright, let's see what's in this one. Another Nest Protect. Yeah, there. Oh, look! A sensory gym. This is cool. You got rock climbing, you got a swing, and then you got a ladder. And then you got that. I used to play at sensory gyms when I was a kid. In 2011, I went to this place in Dallas. I'm not going to disclose the name, but I'm not going to disclose the name of the building or the place that I went to. I no longer go there. I've outgrown that type stuff. But yeah, I used to do that when I was young. I always liked the swings and the trampolines. They were fun. But I always liked elevators. That's what I really wanted to do. Go to Willowbend, ride the Schindlers. Quit giving me ads. I hate those. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see what's in the hallway. So that's where they tend to have smoke alarms. Oh, is that a first to work carbon monoxide alarm? Alright, let's see what's in this hallway. Oh, look. It's an SA-303. Gosh, why do they keep all the lights on in these houses? That's wasting electricity. Oh no, that's a pane in the glass. It's one of these. Those are ugly. I don't like those square light fixtures. My Nana used to have them. I remember. They were ugly. I think they're real ugly. Along with those dome fixtures. I have a couple of those, and I really want to get rid of them, but I'm just too lazy. Let's see what's in this one. I want a stinking CO 5120B and 4120B together. Like James found. Alright, let's see. And here's the entryway. Let's go to like the hallway. Alright, let's see. Is there any cool smoke alarms? Is there seriously no smoke alarm in this stinking... Alright, let's see what's in the basement. I think I've already been in here. I cannot tell. Ooh, look at this, a bunch of storage. Why do you leave storage out when you're trying to get photos? What's that? Oh. No, I can't really tell. Wait, what is that? Is that just a... I think that's just a wire box, yeah. There may have been a smoke alarm there at one point, but they just removed it. Alright, let's see. What's, Let's see what's in here. I don't think I've been in here yet. Tiffany lamps. Pretty neat. Is that even a smoke alarm next to that AC vent? Oh, look, a fire alarm horn. Let's see what it is. Oh, look at this. Looks like a KNCOPE-IC next to an I120660A. Crazy. Alright, let's see. It's just an AC vent. Let's see, after, I guess, one more page, I'm gonna end this and then go to bed. I may upload this tomorrow. I'll try to upload it tonight, but I'm just so tired. Alright, let's see. What's in... I've already looked in here. Wait, was that supposed to be a smoke alarm where that... Oh, I see where the smoke alarm was supposed to be, but it's missing. That wire box up there may have been for a ceiling fan, not a smoke alarm. Wah, 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 wah. Epic fail, smoke alarm. What a fire alarm fail. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see. This one kind of looks a little familiar. I've seen it in videos. I may have. Alright, let's see. Oh, okay. Oh. Let's see. Interesting. Okay, let's see. That's gotta have replaced the CO 5120B. Alrighty, let's see. This definitely looks like a kid's bedroom of some sort. Let's see, is this the master suite? Yeah, I think it is. Let me tell you, that's very sweet of the apartment people. Let's see. Have I looked in this one yet? I do not believe I have. Or have I? Well, let's find out. Oh, a KNCOSM IBA. Yeah, I think I have looked in this one before. I'll screenshot the KNCOSM IBA. It would help if my, if my thing would just not be blurry. KNCOSM IBA. Let's see, I'll pick which smoke alarm will be in the thumbnail. Alright, let's see. We're finding some decent stuff today. There's one where I didn't find anything good, so I just deleted the screen recording. I was that disappointed. Let's see, where is... Another KNCOSM IBA. Alright, let's see what else is on here. I can barely keep my eyes open. My apologies. I'm that tired. I had to turn my heater on. I like my room really cold, but I turn the heater on so that way I don't reduce the battery life on the smoke alarms. I don't want to have to change a battery early. I will check the battery levels in March. I'll do the testing. Alright, yeah. Let's see. Well, I don't think I've looked in this one yet, have I? I may have. Nice! So I see we have a cracked recess light. Or, wait. I think it's just a missing light bulb or something. Oh, look, another KNCOSM something. Alright, yeah, after one more house, I'm gonna end, or one more apartment, I'm gonna end it because I'm exhausted. Okay, we may be promising. Oh, look at this. Let's see what this is. Is that an 1839 ACI or what is that? Oh, no, I've never seen this before. What is that? What is that smoke alarm even? I'm gonna put that in the thumbnail maybe. Alrighty, I think I'm done for the day. I'll do one of these again at some point. I know tomorrow night I have to do the New Year's sound off for the smoke alarms. But yeah, that's gotta be one of my greatest finds yet. Alrighty, I'm gonna end it for today because I literally am about to fall asleep right now. Please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.